how to make noob avatar in Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Roblox and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, once you are now here, what we are going to do next is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. After that, go into avatar. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to unequip all of the accessories, the clothing of our avatar right here. So what we're going to do here is to just uncheck all of this, the pants, the shirt, the hair, and also unequip this one right here. So basically just unequip everything that you are currently wearing. So go here on the head and body, on the torso. So unequip all of those. So basically, it should look like this one right here. And then once you are now in this part, what we are going to do is to go on the head and body and then go into skin tone, which is right here. So click on skin tone right there. So what we're going to do here is to just scroll down and then click the advanced section right here. And then in this part, all you have to do is to click on the all, which is right here. And then we're going to click on the color yellow. And then after that, go here on the torso. And then for the torso, just look for the shade of blue, which is right here, which is between the dark blue and then the lighter blue, which is right here. So just click that color right there. And then let's move on to the left leg. And then we're going to look for this color, which is right here. And then same goes for the right leg. So go here on the right leg and then click this color also. After that, just click done. And then this is what it's going to look like. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make noob avatar in Roblox.